Thank you for purchasing this Viewpoint flat panel TV wall mount. If you have any problems with this product or have questions about installation, please do not return it to the store. Instead, contact customer service at 1-888-333-9952. This DVD should be used as a supplement to the instruction manual provided. Please make sure you read the manual thoroughly before installing this mount. If you have any trouble viewing this DVD, please visit viewpoint.sanis.com for an online version. Tool check. To install this product, you will need a level, a stud finder, a Phillips screwdriver, a 13mm or 1/2-inch wrench, a 3/16" drill bit for wood stud installations, or a 1/2-inch masonry bit for concrete or concrete block installations, and an electric drill. It is also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations. Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, please contact customer service at 1-888-333-9952 to have the parts sent directly to you. Step 1. Attach the wall plate to the wall. Step 1-1. Wood stud mounting. Please note, for safe installation, any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 1/2 inch or 13mm in thickness. Use a stud sensor to locate and mark a stud. It's a good idea to verify the stud location with an awl or thin nail. Taking into consideration the overall size of your TV, use a level and hold the wall plate against the wall to mark 2 hole locations on the stud, one in the top row and one in the corresponding hole in the bottom row. Using the 3/16" drill bit, pre-drill 2 holes to a depth of 2.5 inches. Attach the wall plate using the 2 lag bolts and lag bolt washers. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall before tightening the bolts with a wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 1-2. Concrete or concrete block mounting. Taking into consideration the overall size of your television, use a level and hold the wall plate assembly against the wall to verify the correct position for your TV. Mark 3 hole locations, 2 at opposite ends of the top row and 1 in the bottom row near the center. Make sure the holes are not located in the mortar between blocks. Drilling into mortar can result in property damage or personal injury. Using the 1/2-inch masonry bit, pre-drill 3 holes to a depth of 2.5 inches. Do not drill into the mortar between the blocks. Insert the concrete anchors into the wall with the flared ends first. Make sure each anchor is seated completely flush with the concrete or concrete block surface. If there is a layer of facing material in front, it must not be greater than 1/2 inch in thickness for your application to match the installation methods described in this video. Attach the wall plate using the 3 lag bolt and lag bolt washers. Use a level to ensure the wall plate is square with the wall. Tighten the bolts with a wrench until the washer is pulled firmly against the wall plate. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 2. Optional. Reverse the tension knob on each bracket. If the width between the mounting holes on the back of your TV is larger than 13.7 inches, the tension knobs must be removed from each bracket and reversed so they are facing in. Step 3. Attach the monitor brackets to the back of your TV. Step 3-1. TVs with a flat back and no obstructions. First, determine the diameter of the bolt your television requires. Hand thread a bolt into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another bolt diameter until you have the correct size. Thread the short bolt through the lock washer, the appropriate flat washer, the monitor bracket, and finally into the TV. Step 3-2. TVs with a curved back or an obstruction near the insert. First, determine the diameter of the bolt your television requires. Hand thread a bolt into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another bolt diameter until you have the correct size. Thread the long bolt through the appropriate lock washer, flat washer, and into the monitor bracket. Add a spacer between the monitor bracket and the television. M4 and M5 bolts will require a second flat washer between the monitor bracket and the spacer. Step 4. Attach the TV to the wall plate. Please note, before proceeding, verify that the wall plate and monitor brackets are firmly fixed to the wall and the back of the television, respectively. Be sure to open the latches on the bottom of each monitor bracket before mounting the monitor to the wall plate. With the help of an assistant, hook the monitor brackets over the top of the wall plate. Gently let the bottoms of the monitor brackets settle against the wall plate. Slide the TV left or right on the wall plate to its final position. Then close the safety latch on each side to secure your television in place. As an added security feature, an optional padlock can be placed through the hole in the bottom of the latch handle. Finally, set the tension of the knobs on the monitor brackets. You are now free to enjoy your newly mounted flat panel television.